Hey there, Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. As you can see, we got another beautiful TMG 250 rolling out shop today. Now, I've got it set up here right in front of my great wall of tanks we got going on. Guys, if you squint, you look really close, you may see your future TMG pit back here behind us. Hey, give us a call. We're ready to rock and roll. Let's check out my man, Steven trailer here. Got a really badass setup. Like I said, Steven, Cyber Smoked Barbecue. He's got a 250 on our single axle trailer package. Guys, we build all of our trailers in-house, all right, hand-built by my American craftsmen in there. Do a great job. We design all of our trailers around your setup. So you want one real narrow, real wide, super long, short, double-decker, triple-decker. You want to go down the road sideways, I probably wouldn't do that, but I can do about anything else. So really love building these trailers. This one's got a lot of storage on it. We'll check that out. But let's look at the 250, all right? So really nice patina. This is our patina finish, guys, as we take the tank, clean it up a little bit, and do 3 coats of high gloss automotive grade clear coat. Really shines up nice. It's got the cool Petrolane sticker on it. Let's open her up here. Not your standard 250. Normally we got our full bottom trays in there, and then we got 2 top shelves. He said, hey, that ain't enough. Give me 4 top shelves. I said, hey, buddy, absolutely. So we got a little closer together. Still got plenty of room in there. Great for ribs and chicken on these. Fit a lot more in your smoker. And he also wanted some sausage rods. Said, hey, I'll build you some little sausage rod racks here. Slide them in, take your grates out, boom, hang your sausage in there. Super easy. Got our TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers in the doors, of course. Made in the USA, that's what we like to see. Right in front of our, that's 1/8 inch steel, folks. All right, that ain't some 16 gauge crap from China. It's 1/8 inch steel, all right, American steel, okay? Cyber Smoked Barbecue, stainless steel logo there. Open up the firebox here, guys. On all of our tank smokers come with a fully insulated firebox. All right, I ain't skipping on the insulation. Insulated door, front of it's insulated. Got a 24-inch pipe in here. It's wrapped with insulation, all right. Holds heat really well. Very easy to run this 250. One of my favorite smokers we build. Come around to the back here. Not 1, but 2 stainless steel prep tops. So these fold up. Set your wood under there. Keep it somewhat dry. It ain't gonna keep it completely dry, guys. Come on, it's open. But it'll help. It will help, I promise you that. Open this up. You got something that's a little too tall, won't fit in here. I got you a little more storage up here. See another Cyber Smoked Barbecue stainless steel logo. Hey, to finish it off, we got the spare tire. Y'all know the deal. Don't want to be on the side of the road without a spare tire. This is one slick rig going on, man, Steve, and I'm pretty jealous. I think we need to build us one of these here at TMG for ourselves. But anyways, guys, y'all know the deal.
Nope, nope, we ain't doing that yet.
What are we doing?
Hang on.
What are we doing?
What's everybody gonna ask?
How much?
How much? So what does a 250 start at?
250. Guys, on skids, not on the trailer, on skids. $74.99. Okay, the trailer is gonna add about $3 grand to you. Hey, that is $3 grand well spent, folks. $3 grand well spent. Prep tops, and go all over it. About 700 pop for the prep. That 16 gauge stainless steel, guys, that stuff ain't cheap. All right, but it's gonna last you. Spare tire, $200 or $300 extra, guys. Come on now, it's worth it. What are you gonna do? You're gonna pay more than that for the tow bill getting you back home. Okay, so I mean, that's our 250 on the trailer, folks.